And one of that is this Gucci. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this one first, okay? Okay, and yung last, this one. I'm excited for this. So let's see. Let's unbox. Welcome back on my channel. So today, we're going to unbox one of my favorites. This year kasi is Year of the Rat. So maraming nagsilabasan ng mga collaboration kay Mickey Mouse. And one of that is this Gucci. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Please click the subscribe and the bell button for you to notify on my next vlog. So, okay, let's go! Let's unbox this! So, I'm gonna unbox this one first, okay? Let's see kung anong laman nito. Okay. Siya. May backpack siya na maliit.
Tapos ang color niya is antique gold. Ang color niya is beige, mini Gigi Supreme with Mickey Mouse.
Okay, ang color niya is beige, mini Gigi Supreme canvas with Mickey Mouse. And then this is antique gold hardware. And then leather interlocking G tag. So, yan siya. Pakita mo lang yung and then, pwede ko rin siyang gawing shoulder bag like this. Pwede ko rin siyang gawing shoulder bag. Or, if hype this daw, pwede ko siyang gawing like this. Dito sa harapan. Like that. Pwede ko rin siyang gawing like, pwede ko rin siyang style na ganito. So, ayan. Game. So, ayan siya. Ito na siya. Tapos, sorry for this. Ito yung likod. This one. Ayan yung mga lagyan ng credit cards. Ayan, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng credit cards here. Ayan siya. Practically that one. Okay, and yung last, this one. I'm excited for this. So, let's see. Let's unbox. Ayan, super liit lang siya. So, focus na dito. Here. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute. Pati yung ano nila. So, that's the receipt. So, this one. Ito. Tcharan! Super cute. Diba? Wow. Super cute. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Ayan. Okay. So, yan. Ito siya. Wallet. Diba? Super cute. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan. Tapos, marami siyang lagyanan. This one also. Ayan siya, oh. Super cute. Ayan. This one. Cute. Ayan, guys. So, ito yung one of my favorites na na-purchase ko on our recent trip in Hong Kong last January. I really love Mickey Mouse. So, this one talaga is super, iti-treasure ko talaga to. Kaya sobrang I love Mickey Mouse. So, this one, I really love this collection from Gucci. I think this is one of my favorite na collaboration ni Mickey this year. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, if you like this video, please click thumbs up and comment below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye, guys!